Hi everyone, I am Carrie Lendo. I am a vintage dealer and a comedian, and I like to dress up like a 1960s stewardess in my spare time. Hi, got my little dog kerchief on. I am here to share with you a mystery box. I got a mystery box. This is a box of vintage jewelry I got off Goodwill. Okay, here we go. A little brooch. Not gonna spend a lot of time on her. Oh, this is little Precious Moments, 1998 Precious Moments. I don't know how Precious Moments jewelry sells. I'll do a little Google. I've sold Precious Moments like other items. Has some promise. Some more hat pins. This one is signed Amway. Wah wah. Well, Amway, but you know, it'll be good to beef up that hat pin lot. That'll be real easy to list. Here's a nice little rhinestone brooch with some like blue. It's kind of like clear and blue. It's kind of interesting. I'll probably put a couple. There's the back, no signature. I'll probably put a couple rhinestone brooches together because it looks like there's a few in here. Oh, it might be a set. It might go with this necklace, which has no tag. Rhinestone brooch. Are you another Amway? Another hat pin. No maker's mark. A little leaf design. This is a big old yellow. We're all tangled. Help. Okay. This is just, looks like a little handmade. A little dirty. Got some threads hanging down. Probably won't tell this, even though it's kind of cool. It's just not, we'll see. I don't know. I kind of like the colors. Next we have an unsigned little choker, little kind of Aurora Borealis color. I'll probably try to sell this, even though I don't know about it. That. We have another little kind of no-namey Victorian-ish. Maybe more deco. I don't know. Next we have, oh, it's signed. Finally, a signed piece. It is Listener. Okay. Listener's not bad. Not bad. Kind of that classic, I don't know. Look, a little leaf. A little leaf design. Not bad, not bad. We got another rhinestone necklace. Oof, this is going to take a long time to list all this. This is all tangled, but this will be a little rhinestone choker. We got some more necklaces. A lot of these mid-century kind of shorter necklaces that can be chokers, adjustable little guys. Sherelle. Sounds kind of familiar. Oh, it's missing some of the beads. Okay, it's missing some of the beads, so we'll see what, little cute little locket that says, oh, it's like, it looks like a Sanrio, a little kawaii. I'll look it up and flash the name, but that's good. I mean, it's just fake silver. If it is a Sanrio character, those are very collectible. Promising. Oh, another little bonnet. That's nice. We'll put the bonnets together. The brand is Monet. Oh, this does not look Monet, but it is Monet. Kind of a more modern, kind of like a tribal belly dancer type thing going on. Here's a little cheapy little handmade bracelet. I like those beads, but that's gonna get donated. What do we got here? This looks like it. It's a little weird. It's a pin, but it's a keychain. You can. Ooh, fun. This is actually probably useful. As someone who loses their keys all the time. Here's another of those kind of like faux carved. I'm gonna put those all together in a lot. Another hat pin. No marking. It's just little hearts. Put that with the rest. Here's another fake pearl necklace. Here's a fun bracelet. Ooh, it's got the little, is it Hamasa? The little, okay, so this is a little sword bracelet. This is cool. And it's got the little dangle, little Hamasa hand. Here's a big old chunk. Oh, here's another hat pin. Let me untangle this hat pin. Hi. We got a little kind of cameo lovers Oh, it is a locket. Look at the little sweethearts on the front. I love you. No, I love you. Long gold chain. We got a name. What's the name? Money. Okay, so that's good. That's good. We got just a plain old wreath pin. Little scarf. Put your scarf. Oh, let me show you how to put your scarf through these. No, I can't. Okay, this one isn't really long enough. You can see you can just, place it wherever and pull your little scarf through. On here. Okay, this is just gonna get donated. Just a little. Moving on. Let's keep the excitement going, folks. This is like a oversized like baby diaper pin. Oh, this is kind of cute though. It's kind of got like a Kirk's Follies kind of, no signature, but kind of that style of just like Art Nouveau. Everything in the kitchen sink. This is a nice statement brooch. List that. We got a lot of tangled things. This is, oh, Giovanni. Giovanni's good. Rose brooch, very classic. Little rose, just right on the lapel. We got, let me pick up all these hat pins. So many hat pins. These up together. Okay, just a bunch of hat pins. Woo, okay. This is funky. We got a parrot brooch, signed JJ, which I've sold JJ before. I forget what it stands for. They do a lot of pewter brooches, a lot of animal brooches, a lot of cat brooches. Kind of like a door knocker. He's probably pewter. This is signed just Japan. Okay, that's good though. Nice little mid-century piece. Very pretty. We got this kind of beat up, skinny right. Okay, we're just gonna toss that. Ooh, another floral brooch. Oh, you know what's really cool about the floral brooches? What people do is people make bouquets out of them, and then they last forever. This is somebody's 1990 Christmas ornament. Oh God. High dollar value item. Donation. More hat pins, little butterfly. Okay. What do we got? No name. No name. Oh, my hand's starting to smell like, metal costume jewelry. This is just a little, oh, come on. Work with me here. More hat pins. Little pearl wreath. Not gonna keep. This is just a big old fancy wreath. Probably not gonna sell that either. We just have the luxury of having all these pieces. Oh, here's the little white bead. I think that fell off the one necklace. Okay, you can keep that. Might have to glue that back. Another hat pin. Our last bag. Oh, here's the big old. I don't know if this is pewter. This kind of feels like lighter. No maker's mark. I bet this was. Just fits over the head. I bet this was a perfume locket. You know those solid perfumes? You got the solid perfumes. So that's kind of cool because you can refill it. Let's see if it smells. I'm worried. Yeah, it kind of smells like the metal. Ooh, our last little baggie. I'm so sad. This looks like it's all clip-on earrings. Okay. These match the necklace, but they're kind of beat up. They're taped on the back. So we'll see. These are signed. Oh, just Western Germany. I'll probably put all the Western Germany clip-ons together. No signature. No signature in these. I'll show you a few of these together. Japan. I'll probably put all the Japan ones together. And just some like pearly ones. We got kind of like an Aurora Borealis going on. I could put these with the necklace. No signature, but still a nice style. Ooh, these are some pierced earrings. We got a little bee. A little bee brooch. I like that he's rhinestone. Is it a bee? Is it a fly? This is Jeff Goldblum. Merino. I don't know Merino. These are kind of nice. Just because they're dangle. The rare dangle. Okay. Move it along. Ooh, Ricci. These are Nina Ricci. That's a good brand. Show you. These will sell pretty fast. I usually sell Nina Ricci pretty fast on eBay. A little simple, but Maybe there'll be another Nina Ricci. This is an unmarked. I like the kind of tarnished look. Unmarked clip-on. Another unmarked clip-on. Do you wear clip-on earrings? I don't know anyone who wears clip-on earrings. I think my sister wears them occasionally, maybe. This is just another, I think we saw this one. But somebody wears them because people buy them. Not as much as regular earrings. Another pearl one. All right, these are not marked. Just some clip-ons. Surprised I didn't get any Avon. They're kind of got a little Japanese feel to them. No maker's mark. We saw that one. We saw that one. What are you? What are you? Mama wants a maker's mark. Nothing. Kind of just an orangey rhinestone. Keep it moving, lady. Keep it moving. Here is a pair of pierced earrings, although I don't know what metal this is. These are kind of cute. Once again, kind of Kirk's Folly. Those are pierced, though. The very rare pierced ones in this lot. Getting down to the wire. These look like another kind of West Germany. No mark, but definitely old. Them there. What are you? Ooh, I love these. I've found these geometric kind of ones before, and they've not sold. Moving on. This is just a weird little pin. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, is it a knife? I don't know if that's supposed to be a butter knife. I don't know. What do we got? Oh, some vintage pierced earrings. I just don't know what these pierced ones about the metal. Okay, they're stuck together. We're not going to undo them, but little heart dangly ones. We'll look into that. I like them, but I don't know what that metal, if anyone buys weird metal. This is just broken. This is just a little rhinestone broken piece. Small green. Like I said, I just don't know what metal these are, so I don't know if I'll sell these pierced ones. Okay, so that broken piece was a part of these longer ones. We'll just donate that. Not really worth fixing. These will get donated too. They're just some gold discs. Nice, but too plain to fetch a pretty penny. This is like Signer or Oniner. Looks like Oiner, O-I-N-E-R, which I'm sure it's not. We'll Google it. It's also not a matching pair. We'll see if the match is in here. Oh yeah, here's the match. Just a little sweet pair. What do we got? No maker's mark. Well, no maker's mark ones. All right, keep it going. Is the other one. Oh, this is signed. This looks like BSK. I've only found BSK once and it still hasn't sold. I found a lot that's like leafy. So we'll see if that one sells. This looks like it's Beats, B-E-A-T-S, but I don't know. I'm sure that's wrong, and I'll look it up, and I'll flash it on the screen. Little purple ones, those are pretty. Pretty. We already saw these little dangle ones. The other little dangle ones that aren't signed. These are really cool, but I'm just mad because they probably won't sell. And another, we already saw this. Okay, I think that's it. So that is my $150 lot of vintage inspired, but most of them are vintage. Some were expired. This was not even inspired by vintage. This is just a modern piece. But hey, it's okay. We got some good pieces. I didn't see any huge money makers, but I bet once I do a little Googling, I'll find something. The Sanrio thing's interesting. Rare Sanrio pieces can be worth a lot. That is my mystery lot. I have to get to listing. I have a lot of pieces to list. Thank you for watching. Check out my stores. You can kind of see all the pieces, get some better photos, get some more info. If you want to purchase any pieces, hey, just send me a message here on YouTube or through one of my stores. I'll be back soon with another mystery lot. I gotta go catch my flight.